the impact of aerodynamics in motorcycle racing, unraveling its significance through various facets.
Number 7. Wind tunnel testing and simulation. Modern motorcycle racing teams rely on wind tunnel testing and advanced simulations to fine-tune aerodynamics.
These tools allow engineers to analyze how different designs interact with airflow, helping them optimize every contour for maximum performance.
Number 8.
The influence of MotoGP. MotoGP, the pinnacle of motorcycle racing, often serves as a testing ground for cutting-edge aerodynamic innovations. From winglets that enhance downforce to novel fairing designs, MotoGP teams push the boundaries of aerodynamics, eventually trickling down their discoveries to consumer motorcycles.